Take it from my experience, man. It does not.
Not leave it in there that long.
Yeah,
You just want it warm enough. You don't want it scorching hot.
No, it wasn't even scorching hot, bro. It like boiled. I think started like boiling.
What are you talking about?
Popping a Poptart in the microwave.
I don't do that. Why would you put a Poptart in the microwave?
Take it from experience. Mom, take it from experience. It does not end well.
If you ever do it, you better clean up the mess. That's all I got to say.
Jacob's idea.
No.
You're the one who suggested. He suggested it. I tried it one time. Once. It did not end well. So tell me what happens. So what happens is his fault.
So you remember when Brian and them stayed here and they didn't do nothing, made any effort, anything to get out of here?
Yeah.
Well, his thing on how they got to a house. Same old thing. He was given 30 days to get out just like us. We gave him. He made an effort to do nothing. You know where he's going? Taking off going fishing instead of going where he should be.
Hey, look. I got this on clearance at Hobby Lobby a while back. Paper.
Oh,
Where'd this string come from? Is it good?
we're trying to scare Jacob with it.
Ding, 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 ding. Don't want to play with it. Ding, 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 ding.
Clothes hamper.
Yeah. So we can put towels on one side and then everything else on the other side. You hear me? Wash rags, towels, hand towels, underwear, socks go on one side, and then all the other clothes go on the other. Okay? And look, it's got handles that you can carry it. And you can use the other list to bring the laundry up and down.
Save me money.
Thank you.
I'm on my idea.
I'm recording. Oh, this is not gonna end well. Yeah.